Hello to all the buyers on the Stock Club platform. I'm very happy to be with you today live from the warehouse in Liers in the north of France to present a new batch from Grover. Grover is a German retailer specializing in renting high-tech products to individuals. So the products are rented between 0 and 5 years with an average rental period of 3 years. Then the new products come in different qualities. They range from new with original packaging to non-functional, including functional used. These are the three major qualities you will find. Read the blue bubbles below the photos carefully. They define the quality. You will understand exactly what type of product you will receive, whether there are impacts or not, slight damages, accessories or not, etc., etc. This will give you an idea of the product quality you will receive. Make sure to download the Excel file as well. You have information on the product line that will help you with the lots. Today we have a bit here of computer screens. So there are some very, very large screens there, but they are non-functional, classified as non-functional. Grover, we opened one TUF gaming screen. So the TUF gaming range from Asus. So quite a nice gaming screen. Well, we have the accessories. There is still the protective polystyrene. We see the user manual still, the HDMI cable, the charger, the plug, power supply, sorry. Here we have the stand and here the screen. So now we are going to look at it together. I haven't looked yet. So the screen is not broken. I don't see any micro scratches, no fingerprints. It is declared non-functional. So if you are a refurbisher or if you are going to repair this type of product, you will find the fault and make it a fully functional, almost new product. I really see no impact, nothing. It has never fallen. There has never been a drop. So there is a fault to find and repair according to Grover by declaring it non-functional. So I'll put it back here. I'll obviously repackage it well. Here too, there is another charging cable. And this stand, sorry, there was the mount and this stand. So here, it's non-functional Grover on computer screens. Feel free to enter a delivery address in your buyer account to get automatic shipping quotes. Chat with us at the bottom right of the screen with the little blue bubble. Ask us the questions for which you need an answer. Request a callback if necessary.
We wish you very good bidding and see you soon.